Steelers versus Chargers live discussion, a big game in the AFC playoff race. Senator Tim Kaine, Democrat, Virginia, who represents more than 144,000 federal employees in his home state, announced Sunday that he will support a deal to reopen the government even though it does not ensure an extension of enhanced health insurance premiums. The legislation would, however, require the Trump administration to restore the thousands of federal workers fired during the shutdown during reductions in force, RIF, and would prevent the president's Office of Management and Budget from attempting additional layoffs until January 30th, 2026. If the continuing resolution worked out by negotiators is extended beyond January 30th, the prohibition against firing federal employees would carry forward for the length of the next spending stopgap, according to a person familiar with the deal. Kaine said the protection for federal workers was a key factor in his decision to support the deal, and he said a guaranteed Senate vote on extending subsidies under the Affordable Care Act is progress, even if it's uncertain whether there are 60 votes to pass a bill to do so in the Senate, and a House vote on the issue isn't certain. I have long said that to earn my vote, we need to be on a path toward fixing Republicans' health care mess and protect the federal workforce, Kaine said in a statement. This legislation will protect federal workers from baseless firings, reinstate those who have been wrongfully terminated during the shutdown, and ensure federal workers receive back pay, as required by a law I got passed in 2019. That's a critical step that will help federal employees and all Americans who rely on government services, he said. Kaine presented the details of protections for federal workers during a 2-hour Senate Democratic caucus meeting Sunday night.